Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Prokopová and I'm sending greetings from Prague. I work as a data analyst at Czech Webarchiv and also in a project called Centralized Interface for Web Content and Social Networks Data Mining. So really briefly about this project, our goal is to provide datasets of metadata from Czech Webarchiv to scientists from the humanities, especially such sociologists, for the future research and data analysis. Okay, let me tell you something about Czech Webarchiv first. Czech Webarchiv started as a project of the National Library of the Czech Republic in 2000 in cooperation with the Masaryk University in Brno and Moravian Library. After a really short time, its potential was discovered, so this project became bigger. In 2005, Webarchiv was settled as an official department of digitalization in the National Library of the Czech Republic. The first harvest took place in the year 2001. Since 2005, the harvesting has become regular and the amount of harvested data has grown to 409 terabytes. Our department harvests and archives all web sources with a Czech domain. We collect data in three possible ways: comprehensive, selective, and topic collections. That's all about Webarchiv in general, and I would like to move to our project. Centralized interface for the web content and social network data mining. Yes, I know it's really long name, but anyway, we cooperate with another two institutions. The first one is the University of West Bohemia, Faculty of Applied Sciences, the Department of Cybernetics, which is responsible for technical issues, machine learning, and implementation of automatic and analytic tools. The second institution is the Institute of Sociology and the Czech Academy of Sciences. In general, sociologists are our users and they should experience data and use it for their research. The third member is the National Library of the Czech Republic, especially Webarchiv, and we are responsible for datasets of metadata. The whole project started in 2018 with a research task. First, basic analysis should tell us what kind of data we have, how big they are, what are the most common formats of data, and how they grow in the next few years. The second part of this project, which ends this year, is about analyzing data and preparing analytic software tools for future use. We also built some training infrastructure for a future semantic text analysis. So hopefully at the end of this year we might have a base tool for researchers, the tool that they can use. The last part of our project should bring us a centralized interface for researchers. This interface should be able to provide metadata from archive resources of Czech Webarchiv and should be available within 2022. As we know, the world is changing with a growing amount of data. Even science is changing thanks to that. Scientists need to analyze the collected information, but not all of them are skilled in programming. And the other problem is that we cannot give them archive data because of the Czech legislative and copyright. So the solution is quite obvious. We need something to help them to overcome this barrier. The centralized interface can provide access to metadata if we can't give them archive data. So how it should work? You have some research questions. We have a huge amount of metadata from crawled web pages. This is time for our search engine. It will help you to find exactly the datasets you need for your research. You can use the full text and facets search engine to find your data, export them, and after that start your own analysis without any further IT background. I'm not an IT person, but I try my best to sum it up. I would like to mention some basic technical aspects of the project. First is definitely the Apache Hadoop framework, which serves for data clustering. We also invited the intermediary format for cleaning raw data from secondary information. This is an important step between exporting data from WARC files and transporting them into JSON format. After inserting this intermediary standard into the database and after indexing, it will be possible to search or export data to datasets in a more advanced way. As I mentioned before, we already did an analysis of data in Webarchiv. We also have some beta or basic version of the search tool, and we are looking forward to next 2 years of this project. It may bring new methods of working with data, and it is also valuable for Webarchiv itself. Because of a Czech law, we can't provide researchers collected data, but we can help them by providing our metadata at least, and we have a lot of them. Okay, that's all. So thank you for your attention, your time, and enjoy the rest of the program. Bye.